Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear students. So in the previous class we were discussed about the test for starch. Hope you have understand that. So in this class we are going to discuss about the tongue, the special organ in our mouth, that is the tongue. Okay, so what are the uses of this tongue? What are the uses of this tongue? എന്തൊക്കെ യൂസസ് ആണ് ടങ്ങിനുള്ളത്? Where the tongue is situated, actually the tongue is situated where? So the tongue is a fleshy muscular organ. What is a tongue? Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ and attached to the back of the floor of the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity യുടെ back side ലായിട്ട് എന്ത് കാണപ്പെടുന്നു? ഈ tongue കാണപ്പെടുന്നു. It's a muscular organ. Tongue is what? Tongue is a muscular organ attached at the back of the floor of the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity യുടെ back floor ലായിട്ടാണ് എന്ത് കാണപ്പെടുന്നത്? This tongue. We can see the tongue at the back of the floor of the buccal cavity. Okay, so what are the uses of this tongue? What are the uses? Okay, now in this class we are going to discuss about the uses of this tongue and the structure of the taste buds present in the tongue. Okay, so it is free at the front and we can move in all directions. We can move the tongue in all directions. So what are the uses of the tongue? So now we are going to discuss about the uses of the tongue. So the first one is talking. It helps to talk. നമുക്ക് സംസാരിക്കാൻ അല്ലേ? It helps in talking. And the second one is it helps in swallowing the food swallow ചെയ്യാൻ. It helps to swallow the food. Okay, then the third one is to taste the, without tongue we can taste. Okay, so we taste the food with the help of the tongue. So what are the three uses of the tongue? It helps to talking in help ചെയ്യുന്നു. Then what is the second use? It helps to swallow the food swallow ചെയ്യാൻ. Then the third one is what? To taste the food taste ചെയ്യാൻ എന്ത് help ചെയ്യുന്നു? ഈ tongue help ചെയ്യുന്നു. Okay, so there are certain taste buds present in the tongue. At the surface of the tongue we can see there are certain taste buds. Okay, so besides it mixes with the saliva, the food during the chewing and helps swallowing the food. So we are already discussed about it mixes with the saliva. In our mouth there is saliva, uminirandale, and the food is mixes with the saliva with the food during chewing and helps the swallowing the food. The tongue helps to swallow the food. Okay, so what are the three uses of the tongue? To taste the food, to swallow the food, to help in the swallowing of the food. Then what is to help in talking? സംസാരിക്കാനായിട്ട് സഹായിക്കുന്നു. Okay, so these are the main important use of the tongue. Okay, and tongue is a fleshy muscular organ also. Okay, so we also taste the food with our tongue. It has taste buds to that dictate different tastes of food. In tongue there are taste buds. Okay, in tongue there are taste buds. So what is the term? In tongue there are taste buds ഉണ്ട് ടങ്ങിൽ. എന്താണ്? We can see the taste buds in the tongue. Okay, so you can see the structure of the different taste buds present in the teeth. അതായത് ടങ്ങിൽ പ്രസന്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള there are certain different types of taste. അതായത് ടേസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് നമ്മൾ ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് വെച്ചാൽ the main type of tastes എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? സോറ്, there are main സോറ്, then bitter, സോറ്, bitter, then salty. പിന്നെ which taste? Our tongue recognize sour, bitter, salty taste, then sweet taste. These are the main types of teeth the tongue can recognize. Okay, tongue-നെ recognize ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ടേസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് ആണ് ഏതെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? ഏതാണ്? sour, bitter, salty and then sweet. These are the different types of tastes that detect our teeth. And in teeth, in tongue എന്താ ഉണ്ട്? ടങ്ങിൽ there are എന്താണ് certain അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ടേസ്റ്റ് ബഡ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. അതായത് നമ്മുടെ ടങ്ങിൽ എന്താണ് പിന്നെ ഓരോ ഈ ടേസ്റ്റ് തിരിച്ചറിയുന്നതിനും there are certain parts to recognize this tastes. അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും വെച്ചാൽ എന്താണ് ടീത്തിൽ in teeth there are specific parts to recognize each taste, that is sour, bitter, salty and sweet. Okay, so നമ്മൾ ഏറ്റവും in the upper side of the ടങ്ങിൻ്റെ ഏറ്റവും അപ്പർ സൈഡിലായിട്ട് ഏത് ടേസ്റ്റ്? we recognize the bitter taste. Can you see this? Okay, So on the upper surface of the teeth, tongue, we can taste the bitter taste. So in the first upper part, the taste is bitter taste, and then sour taste. In sideways you can also see the picture in page number 15. You can see the picture also. Okay, so the in sideways it is what is sour taste. Okay, then what is the taste? Salty taste. Salty taste where? In the sideways. Sideways the taste is salty taste. Can you see the yellow color? Okay, this is a part of the tongue. Can you see that yellow color? The yellow color indicates what? Salty taste. Okay, then on the lower side of the tongue, you can see the sweet taste. It's rose in color. You can see the sweet taste. Okay, so these are the special taste buds present. In the tongue. Okay, so what are the different tastes that recognize our tongue? Bitter, then sour, salty, sweet taste. Bitter taste, sour taste, salty taste and sweet taste are the different types of taste that recognized by our tongue, and the bitter taste in the upper side and the sour taste and salty taste in the sideways. Okay, and we can test the sweet taste at the tip of the tongue. Tongue tippilaittana endulla sweet taste ullathu. Okay, at the tip of the tongue we can recognize the sweet taste. Okay, so bitter at the ഏറ്റവും അറ്റത്തായിട്ട് ഏറ്റവും അങ്ങ് സൈഡിലായിട്ട് എന്താണ് വിച്ച് ടേസ്റ്റ്? ബിറ്റർ ടേസ്റ്റ്. ഇൻ സൈഡ് ഇത് സോർ ടേസ്റ്റ്, ആൻഡ് അറ്റ് ദ ടിപ്പ് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എ സ്വീറ്റ് ടേസ്റ്റ്. ടിപ്പിലായിട്ടാണ് സ്വീറ്റ് ടേസ്റ്റ്. ഏറ്റവും ലാസ്റ്റിൽ ടങ്ങിൻ്റെ ലാസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടിൽ ഏത് ടേസ്റ്റ്? ബിറ്റർ ടേസ്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇൻ സൈഡ് വൈസ് ദർ ഈസ് സോർ ടേസ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് സോൾട്ടി ടേസ്റ്റ്. സോ ദീസ് ആർ ദ ടേസ്റ്റ് ബഡ്സ് ഓർ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ടൈപ്സ് ഓഫ് ടേസ്റ്റ് പ്രസൻറ്റ് ഇൻ ദ ടങ്. Hope you have understand the different tastes: bitter, sour, salt and sweet. Sweet taste is present at tip, and the bitter taste present എന്താണ് ഏറ്റവും bitter taste എവിടെയാണ്? Bitter taste is present at the ടിപ്പിലല്ല, എൻഡിലായിട്ട്. Okay, so this is about the tongue. Okay, and hope you have understand the different uses of tongue and the different tastes recognized by the tongue. Okay. So നമ്മൾ in the previous classes we were discussed about what the travel അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്താണ് the path of the food, and where the food first begins, where the travel of food first begins. It begins at the buccal cavity. Okay, and from the buccal cavity it reaches the salivary gland. It goes through the esophagus or the alimentary canal. Okay, the digestive tract otherwise called what? The digestive tract otherwise called the alimentary canal. Okay, alimentary canal. Okay, so the food passes through this, where the food passes through the alimentary canal or the esophagus. The digestive tract is otherwise called the alimentary canal because the food passes through the digestive tract or the alimentary canal. Okay, and when the food passes there is a movement. Okay, when the food passes there is a movement in the alimentary canal. Okay, this movement helps to push us down the food താഴോട്ട് പോകുന്നതിന് ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്ന മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് എവിടെ ഉണ്ട്? ഇൻ ദ ഡൈജസ്റ്റീവ് ട്രാക്ട് ആൻഡ് എലിമെൻ്ററി കനാൽ. ഓക്കെ, there is a movement in the alimentary canal, and this movement helps to push us down the food downwards. Okay, so there is a movement. Then from the esophagus the food reaches to the stomach. Okay, so the food എവിടെ എത്തി? the food reaches to the stomach. So now we are going to discuss about the specialities of the stomach. Okay, stomach. Okay, so the stomach is a thick walled bag. It's like a thick walled. Stomach is like a thick walled bag. The first point is the stomach is a thick walled bag. Then its shape like is a flattened U. What is the shape of the stomach? Flattened U. So the shape of the stomach is like a flattened U. Okay, flattened U പോലാണ്. The shape of the stomach is like a flattened U. And what is the specialities? and its widest part of the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is the widest part. This stomach. Stomach is the widest part of the alimentary canal. Stomach is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It is like a flattened U. The stomach is like a flat. The shape of the stomach is like a flattened U, and it receives food from where? It receives food from the food pipe. It receives the food from the food pipe. Okay, food evidence receive the stomach receives food from the food pipe, and it opens to where? It stomach opens to the small intestine. Okay, so the food receives by the stomach by through the food pipe. Food pipe in the stomach food and it opens into small intestine. It opens into the small intestine. Okay. Then what are the other specialities? The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus. Okay, the inner lining of the stomach. The other speciality is that the inner lining of the stomach secretes what? It secretes mucus and hydrochloric acid, HCl. Okay, hydrochloric acid, and then what? Digestive juices. Okay. So what are the inner lining of the stomach secretes? It secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid. Then what is the other component? It secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid, and then what? Digestive juices. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid, and then what? It secretes digestive juices also. Okay. Then the mucus protects the lining of the stomach. What is the function of this mucus? The mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach. Okay. Then the acids kill many bacteria enter along with the food and makes the medium in the stomach acidic and helps the digestive juice to act. Okay. There are certain acid, we know that there are certain acid present in the stomach, such as hydrochloric acid. This acid kills many bacteria that enter along with the food. Food along with the food, there are certain bacteria enter into the stomach, and this acid kills this bacteria, the hydrochloric acid. We know that in stomach there is an acid called hydrochloric acid, and this acid kills the bacteria that enter along with the food. Okay, and makes the medium in the stomach acidic. Stomach in the acidic aayittu marunu. Stomach in the part ennu parayumbol endaayittu marunu? The stomach parts become acidic and helps the digestive juices to act. Appam digestive juice act cheyan idu help cheyum. Okay, then the digestive juice break down the proteins into simpler substance. The digestive juice, what is the function of digestive juice? Digestive juice break the protein into simpler substance. So this is about the stomach. Okay, so what is the speciality of the stomach? Stomach is stomach ennu parayunna endana? The stomach is a thick walled. The first point is the stomach is a thick walled bag. Then its shape is like a flattened U. Okay, and it what is the other speciality of the stomach? The stomach receives the food from the food pipe. It receives the food from the food pipe and opens into where? It opens into the small intestine, and the inner lining of the stomach there are mucus, hydrochloric acid, and then what? Hydrochloric acid and digestive juices are present, and the acids kills the bacteria that enter along with the food. Food inodappa enter cheyna bacteria ne kill cheyunu, and it helps to the digestive juices to act. Okay, then the digestive juices break down the protein into simpler substance. So this is about this is about the stomach, and stomach is the thick walled bag, and its shape is like a flattened U, and it opens into it receives food from the food pipe, and it opens to the small intestine. And then after the stomach, where the food reaches? After the stomach, the food reaches into the small intestine. Okay, so the other part is the small intestine. Okay, so from the stomach the food reaches to where? The food reaches to small intestine. So now we are going to discuss about the specialities of small intestine. The small intestine highly coiled. The first point is the small intestine is very highly coiled, and it is about 7.5 meter long. Okay, so when we discussed about the digestive system, we know that how the small intestine we can see. Okay, small intestine ennu parayumbol endana ingane chutti ingane kidakkuvana alle. So how many how much എത്ര meters ഉണ്ട് 7.5 meters. Okay, 7.5 meters long. So 7.5 meters long. The small intestine is 7.5 meter long, and it receives secretions from the liver and the pancreas. Besides, it also secretes juices. It receives we know that the stomach receives food from the food pipe. Like that, the large intestine receives secretions from the liver and pancreas. Okay, liver and pancreas. Okay, can you see the liver and pancreas in the digestive system? Where the liver and pancreas, can you see this? Okay, liver present. Okay. Okay, liver is present here, and pancreas you can see the below the stomach, and the large intestine, small intestine receives secretions from the pancreas. The small intestine receives secretions from the pancreas and liver. Okay, and the liver is a reddish brown. What is the color of the liver? The liver is a reddish brown color. Brown gland, it's a gland. Liver is not a part, it is a gland. The liver is a gland. Okay, the liver is reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen. Abdomen na mugallilayittu. Okay, the liver situated in the upper part of the abdomen, and abdomen of the right side. It's the largest gland in the body. Liver is the largest. So don't forget that point. Liver is the largest. Okay, liver is the largest gland in the body. Okay, liver is the largest gland. Okay, so liver is the largest gland in the body. Don't forget, because it is very important. Liver is the largest gland of the body, and the small intestine size is 7.5 meters long. Okay, and the liver is reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. It is the largest gland in the body. The liver is the largest gland in the body, and it secretes bile juices. Okay, the liver secretes what? The liver secretes bile juices and salt. The liver secretes what? The liver secretes bile juices and salt. Bile juices that is stored in the sac called the gallbladder. Okay, the secretes bile juices that is stored. But bile juices in secrete the bile juices are secreted by the liver. The bile juices are secreted by the liver, and that is stored in the sac called the gallbladder. And this bile juice stored in where? The bile juice stored in the gallbladder. Okay. So the bile juice, the liver is bile juice secreted by the liver, and this bile juice stored in gallbladder. Okay, the bile juice, where the bile juice stored, the bile juice stored in the gallbladder. Okay, and the bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats, and the bile plays an important role in the fats in digestion. This bile ennu parayunna oru important role undu. Okay, then the pancreas is a large cream colored gland in the digestive system. We see the pancreas. Okay, so the pancreas is a large cream colored gland located just below the stomach. Stomach in the just below the stomach we can see the pancreas. Pancreas is also a gland. Okay, and the pancreatic juice act as an carbohydrates, fats and proteins changes into simpler forms. Okay, so this is about the small intestine. Small intestine is 7.5 meters long, and it receives secretions from the liver and pancreas. Liver is the largest gland, and the liver secrete bile juices, and this stored in the gallbladder. Okay, so the bile juice plays a major role in the digestion of fat. So this is about the small intestine. So in the next class, we will discuss about what about the absorption in the small intestine. So the food reaches to, in this class we were discussed about the stomach and the small intestine. The food reaches the stomach first, and then the food reaches into small intestine. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about small intestine and large intestine. So we can see on next class. Thank you. Now we can wind up the class.